We're going to start our Christmas ornaments out with Joseph, Mary, and baby Jesus. And I'm using a block that I had left over there. And then pull on your G-twine just a little bit. Then string the other one the same way. This will also is inspired by Pinterest. I took one of my star wood turnings, glued it onto the actual G-twine, and wrote Merry Christmas. So you're going to notice that my speed is quickened as I go along. And I'm going to just show you how I'm diligently take your time. And this is one of those paint along projects where you can really put some extra. I wanted to get that nose just right. So then I went back and touched just a little bit with the melon. Now these small marks that you see me making with a pencil is to give his beard some color.